President Trump and the Nvidia CEOs meeting up to talk about the AI policies. Today, I'll let you guys know everything you need to know and what it means for the market and what can happen if things go good and if things go bad. So we're going to give you guys both scenarios. With that being said, basically this meeting was arranged weeks ago. It is planned to talk more about the US leadership in technology and the advancements of the China's DeepSeek AI. And if you guys don't know what DeepSeek AI is, they kind of announced it and basically showing that they can use AI at a fraction of a cost and using older chips and honestly make it a little bit better too. With that being said, when the DeepSeek AI launched by China at a fraction of a cost, you've seen Nvidia, especially Nvidia, drop 17% and other chip stocks drop a bunch, especially the SPY and everything like that. We'll be looking at that in a couple of seconds. But if the meeting does not go well, we can probably see a drop that big again. And if it goes well, we can probably see stocks climbing more, and especially Nvidia, because we've been kind of seeing Nvidia die down. With that being said, China being able to do this at so cheap and fast, Trump is talking about adding more restrictions to AI chip exports to China, especially Nvidia. Nvidia has a chip, the H20, which is designed for the Chinese markets. With that being said, this can make Nvidia stock go down even more and their profits go down even more. So keep that in mind with investing. But we can still see Nvidia kind of like holding still to an extent. It is still falling, but it's kind of holding and showing good growth still. But we do have Nvidia at some decent lows right now. The meeting is to address the exports and competition and also balance the U.S. national security interests with the growth for the technology sector. So with that being said, let's open up some trading view and show you guys kind of how the market really moved. So this is the overall SPY. We have a bunch of tech sectors. We had like Microsoft, Nvidia, and other chip stocks basically last week on Friday, and then Monday basically when market opened we seen it drop a decent amount. We got all the way down to 592 from the 607 level. But with that being said, we did fill the gaps upwards for this week and we did fill it like 100% to the upside. But with that being said, we are currently falling, and depending on how the meeting goes, we can probably even see us fill the gap back downwards and probably even make some new lows. With that being said, with Nvidia, we are falling. We are having a decent sell-off with a bunch of chip stocks. I am personally, this is just a little insider thing for me, I am personally going to look at the 121 to the 120 and then probably even down even more to that 118 to probably load up a little bit. But with that being said, I do want to see how the meeting goes before I load up on this stock, because I mean, I think 118 is going to be a decent level. You've seen it kind of hold strong. You've seen it hold strong on the 117, but I think 118 is a decent way to get into. But with that being said, if we do get worse news and more restrictions on Nvidia, we can see it drop probably even more, maybe to that 115 level. But with that being said, I do really want to just have some patience, see how the meeting goes. Hopefully we get some decent news and not any bad news, because if we get bad news, you're going to see the overall market drop. So we've been holding pretty strong, even though we got the bad news. We did dip a decent amount, but we have been holding kind of strong. We haven't filled the gaps back upwards for Nvidia, of course, but we don't have any good news. But SPY overall kind of filled the gaps back up, but now we're kind of filling it back to the downside. So keep that in mind before you guys invest. And yeah, smash the like button, subscribe if you guys are new. And we're gonna make a market outlook video and some other things, but I just want to make this video real quick and simple and to kind of explain what to expect. Peace out, guys. Subscribe.